Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from the rice crop, which are useful in most of the competitive exams. Moving on with our first question, only hybrid rice released by private agency is. The hybrid rice was developed in the country China and its father is Yong Longping, and the first hybrid rice released by private agency is PHB 71. What is the hulling percent in rice? Hulling percent is calculated by weight of rice grain by weight of paddy into 100. The hulling percent in rice is 66%. What is the seed rate of paddy in SRI system in kgs? SRI system is the system of rice intensification and it was developed in Madagascar, and the seed rate is 5 to 7 kgs per hectare and they are placed at a distance of 25 by 25 centimeters. What is the albedo of rice crop? The albedo is calculated by incident radiation by reflected radiation. The albedo of rice crop is 12%. What is the first semi-dwarf variety of rice in India? The first semi-dwarf variety of rice in India is Jaya, whereas the semi-dwarf variety in the world is TN1. And Jaya is a cross between TN1 and type 141. It is also known as miracle rice and it was developed by the scientist Shastri. What is the harvest index of rice? Harvest index is calculated by the formula economical yield by biological yield into 100, and the harvest index of rice is 0.40. What is the pH required for rice cultivation? Paddy along with tea are the acid loving crops which require a pH of 4 to 5. So our answer is 4 to 5. What is the IW by CPE ratio of rice? The IW by CPE ratio of rice is 1.20. Moving on to our next question, Oryza sativa was originated from. Oryza sativa is originated from Oryza nivara. Oryza nivara is the progenitor of Oryza sativa. Aroma in rice is due to the presence of which substance? The aroma in rice is due to the presence of diacetyl propylene. Water use efficiency of rice is. Water use efficiency is calculated by yield by water requirement, and rice has the lowest water use efficiency, which is 3.4 kg per hectare mm. What is the moisture percent for storing rice grains? Usually cereals are stored at a moisture percent of 10 to 12% and oilseeds are stored at a moisture percent of 8% and rice is stored at a percentage of 10 to 12. The concept of aerobic rice was given by. The concept of aerobic rice was given by Baumann of Brazil, and in aerobic rice there will be a water saving of 40%, but there can be the deficiency symptoms of iron because in aerobic rice the rice grows under oxidized conditions. White ear is the symptom of which pest? White ears are the symptoms which appear when there will be a stem borer attack, which is also known as yellow stem borer, and its scientific name is Scirpophaga incertulis. Zinc deficiency was discovered by which of the following scientists? Zinc deficiency was discovered by the scientist Y.L. Nene at Pantnagar, and zinc deficiency can be corrected by the application of zinc sulfate. What is the average panicle weight of rice in grams? The average weight of the panicle of rice is 2 grams. Moving on to the next question, Butachlor is available in which form? Butachlor is a herbicide and its trade name is Machate, and it is available in both granular and in EC form. EC is emulsifiable concentrates. What is the desiccant used for rice? The desiccant which is used for rice is Paraquat. Its trade name is Gramoxone. It is used at the rate of 0.1% and it is used at the pre-harvest stage. What should be the leaf area index in rice so that maximum photosynthesis can occur? The answer is 5 to 6. At this leaf area index, maximum photosynthesis takes place in rice. Depot nursery came from. Depot nursery is mostly practiced for the cultivation of rice, and in this nursery, the seedlings can be transplanted after 12 days, and this method was originated from Philippines. AICRP on rice is present at All India Coordinated Research Project on Rice is present at Hyderabad, and it was started in the year 1965. IRRI was established in which year? IRRI, that is International Rice Research Institute, was established in the year 1960 and it is located at Philippines. Moving on to the next question. Genus Oryza comprises of how many species? Genus Oryza has 24 species. Fire rice is found in which state? Fire rice is found in the state of Assam. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.